Yes, 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 yes. Mr. KO4 is back up in this thing. And as you can see, I have another 4 parlay. I forgot. Comme allez-vous? Très bien, très bien. Dope, 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 dope. Glad to have another 4 in the collection. I try to collect all 4. Now I just need the sneakers app to be nice to me on Saturday, and we all good sneakers app. But before I can get into this, we got a dope battle coming up this weekend. Sneaker Connoisseur versus Supreme Brooklyn on the Who Has the Heat channel. If you haven't subscribed, you know what to do, along with the Sis 313 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF, and PMKICKZ. All of us will be in the building 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Y'all ain't got no excuse. No more basketball finals. So let's pack the place with 100 plus people in the chat. Y'all already know how we do. Now, sneakers that was nice to me. I got these joints. As you can see, PP personal pair, size 10, 11 and a half, suggested retail price $225 of things, but I got them for $185, right? Use that military discount, 20% off. So on the retail, shawty, y'all already know what time it is. White, Bordeaux, neutral gray, PSG on deck. One of my favorite go-to, as you can see, yes, I do have the Puka right there. Love the presentation of the box. Soccer team, all that good stuff. Normally have 75, but one of my favorite go-to shoes is the Paris 5. That's my favorite shoe. Run to the grocery store, all of that good stuff. Nice presentation. As you can see, you got the Bordeaux box. You got all of this stuff on here. You got your anti-moss, and you got your grass that you want to put on the soccer field, and all of that good stuff. Yada yada yada. But we always do the left shoe, as you know. Got to make sure it's all nice. And we're going to hold it out like that. Look at that. That is dope. Dope, 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 dope. I'm going to have to give me a turntable, start bringing stuff outside. I'm going to go back in the house so I can start doing it like that. And I seen some come pre-crease, but this one is okay. Not too bad, but it's a 4, so y'all know Emoneyshoes is already happy with these joints, right? Very, very dope. As you see, you got the pop-out stars, the herringbone traction, the mini Jumpman, the white, so y'all already know that's gonna get dirty, but for the most part, it shouldn't get too bad. And then up here, you kind of got like this nubuck suede, kind of pretty good. Got a little bit of back booty straw, I know you can see it. Then you got that old rankle stankle right there, which is very, very dope in my opinion. Then you got your netting right here, and your waffling and all of that. And just like right on cue, always get some interference, people cutting their grass, but what happened is early in the morning. And you got the Paname right here. Then behind your netting, which gonna probably turn yellow after a while, you got black hits, which is something new. Then you got right here more of this netting. Be careful, because once it get, not netting, but lace holder, waffle, whatever, you got to be careful, because once it get older, it will come off. I found that on one of my shoes. I had to re-glue it back. And you can see you got a white air unit. Now on the back, you got Paris Saint-Germain on the ass instead of Nike Air or the Joke Man, which is dope. Stitching is on point. Right here with the tail is all nice and soft. You see you got black. After 75, I think that's the area code. Let me see. Here you got 75, the area code for Paris. Then you got some more of that rankle stankle up in there. Stitching is good. Like I said, you got the black hits behind there. You on the meter side, you got the white air unit. And like I said, you got a little bit I can burn this off there, but that's not the major. On the tongue, you got the old rankle stankle too. I like how they starting to do this overlay on the tongue, because like the new ones, the metallic pack, they all come over like so. Then you got the flight right here on the tongue. In the back, you got the upside down Air Jordan. And then as you can see, you got these laces. I'm gonna have to change it out, even though they got a little bit of gold on the tips. And you got 10 to 10 and a half on there. And you have your QR code, and you can say ICCS Paris, all right? So very, very dope in my opinion. And y'all already know what I'm gonna give this. A perfect 5 out of 5. Is there any doubt? So y'all leave a comment suggestion below. Let me know what you think. Hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe. Just want to make it short, let y'all know I did get them, and I'm going to be on the lookout for the union. So peace, love, chicken grease, Emoneyshoes. I'm out. Deuces.